In this video, I'll share with you how to update DaVinci Resolve to the latest version on Mac. The version I'm currently using is DaVinci Resolve Studio, but if you're using the free version, the process is exactly the same. First off, while you're inside the DaVinci Resolve application, go up to the DaVinci Resolve menu and then select Check for Updates. If there's a new version, you'll see a prompt that says Update Available. From here, you can either skip it or click the download button to grab the newest version. Once it's downloaded, you'll get a compressed file in zip format. Just double-click on that zip file to extract it. After extracting, you'll have an installer file in .dmg format. Go ahead and double-click this newly extracted file. The installer window will pop up. Double-click on the Install Resolve icon. In this installation window, just hit Continue, select Agree to accept the terms, and then click Install. Next, enter your Mac password and hit Install Software. Give it a moment so the new installation files can overwrite the existing ones. Because of this, you don't need to uninstall the old version at all. It automatically overwrites it for you. Once the update is finished, you'll see a message saying, "The installation was successful." At this point, hit Close, and then select Move to Trash to delete the installer file and free up some storage space. You can also go ahead and delete the zip file you downloaded earlier. Over in the Finder sidebar, you'll notice two virtual drives that were created during the installation. Make sure to eject both of them. And now, if you restart DaVinci Resolve, you'll see that your software has been updated to the latest version.